There we go. My helper today. We were able to do a project together.
I was more of a supervisor than
Oh, she helped me a lot. I couldn't do it without her. We did all the windows. Hip hip hooray. So this is a Friday today. Valentina's next day off is Wednesday. I'm hoping this plastic lasts that long because I prefer her to be around when we paint. She has a better knack for it. And we're going to be using the sprayer, and that way I would like to be able to have enough paint. We only have 3 gallons and it's going to take a lot more than that. We can buy all the paint we need and try to do this in a day instead of splitting it up into a bunch of projects and have to clean the sprayer every time and all that. So I would like to do as few days as possible doing that. So, but that's exciting that we got that all prepped and ready. All right, I will be back out here tomorrow. Valentina has to work tomorrow, and we'll see what I end up doing. But we'll see you guys next time I'm out here.